Hi there, YouTube. This is for the people that are having trouble connecting one of their Joy-Cons, either the left or the right, to the switch. Now, as you see, this is the rail that the switch goes onto, and at the bottom it has a little connector, some pins, that go onto here, like that. So, the problem with mine is that it's corroded, as you can see right here. You see, focus. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not sure if you see that green stuff on there, but it's corroded. And when you plug in this Joy-Con onto the rail, it's supposed to make some kind of communication down here, and it's not doing that. Now this is like pretty much to sync your Joy-Con, and if it doesn't communicate, it won't, sync with your switch. So that's what's going on if you have one Joy-Con that's not syncing with your switch. On mine, the left one's not syncing, but the right one's just fine. Well, hope this helps. Peace out.